Okay, so we're going to be installing a car seat into a Jeep Wrangler. Okay, first step is to lift up this middle button here, and it allows you to pull off the anchors into place. And this Jeep has anchors already installed for the baby seat. So what you want to do is, this looks like a stapler, the top part needs to be on top, so it needs to install like this. So you want to click that into place. Both sides, position it, make sure these levelers show that the car seat is level, and you want to put a lot of pressure here and pull this up as tight as you can. Lock it into place, very secure. You want to tuck this into here, stays out of the way, and car seat base is installed. Okay, so we're going to be installing a car seat into a Jeep Wrangler.